and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. We appreciate your viewership and your drawings. We love it. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next, and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to draw DeMar DeRozan of the Chicago Bulls NBA basketball team. So we're going to start, let's start talking about DeMar real quick. He played for the USC Trojans in college, was the 9th pick by the Toronto Raptors in 2009, 6-time All-Star and counting. Played for the Toronto Raptors, San Antonio Spurs, and now the Chicago Bulls. We've had a lot of requests for DeMar, so thanks for your patience as we finally got to DeMar. Here we go. Find the center of your page up and down and the center of your page across. Get your dark marker, pointed tip. We're going to do DeMar DeRozan's head in cartoon format here. A little more challenging here. He's going to have a big smile, so we'll do kind of this curve down to a chin, straight across. Same thing over here. Curve down to a chin. These are wavy lines. They're a little bit challenging, I understand, but bear with me. So curve up to the rounded head top. Bring it all the way down, slowly. Doesn't have to be perfect. Never is, it's okay. Now right here on the side, we're gonna do some ears popping out. They're just basically sideways ovals. And we'll do a couple of eyes, sideways ovals. 1, 2. Circle on the inside, circle on the inside. Another circle, smaller, circle, arch, arch. Now we're going to fill in this area. Leave the circles white because those are the highlights of our character's eyes. We're going to fill the rest in with our dark marker. There we go. And really fast, I like to get a light blue or something to add a little color to the eyes. I'm going to get this light blue marker and fill in this area with color. This just represents maybe reflection of the lights from the stadium. Adds a little life to our drawing. All right. His eyebrows are going to be slanted a different way. He's smiling, and DeMar kind of has, so we're going to slant him up. Start at the outside and slant up. Go up, up, down to a point. And fill those in with your dark, down to a point. Come down from the edge of this eye, make a dot. Down from the edge of this eye, make a dot. That's the edge of the nose, okay? So we'll go up, down, up. A couple little curves on the side, okay? Now he's got a big smile, so we're gonna make his smile start right there in the middle. Go up and out. Up, down, and out. Kind of like a bird flying. Okay, come in a little bit from the edge of the smile, angle down, straight across, and then angle up. Color in the corners of the mouth with your dark marker. Make a big lip mark, chin mark there. And then we're gonna do upper lip and scribble up and down. This is DeMar DeRozan's mustache. And underneath his chin he has a scribbly, just scribble up and down, goatee, beard, and then his chin, or his lip, sorry, has one right there. Okay, cool. His hair comes up and bumps up, and bumps up. We're going to color that in our black marker. He's got braids, so these are kind of the bumps of the braids you'll see in a minute here. But just fill this area in with your dark marker. And then one of his braids comes over here, kind of curves in, fill that in. Another one pops out here. Maybe another one's behind his ear a little bit. This is all based off photos that I saw of DeMar recently. Okay, so let's do the neck. The neck comes straight down and angles in a little bit round to connect. There's the shoulder, there's the shoulder. Curve of the jersey. There we go. There's the waistline. We're gonna do the shorts now. Come down, draw some shorts. Connect. Let's do a big basketball. Do a big circle on the side over here as best you can. Big circle. His arm, shoulder, shoulder, kind of these rounded arches. Another one goes into the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers holding that basketball. Another bump and another bump. There's his arm, okay. Another bump, bump, bump. These are the muscles. Bump and down to the wrist. Cool. There we go. There is his other arm. Now let's draw his legs, his little calves. One, angle down to the ankle and connect with an arch. Start wide up top, angle down, kind of get narrow toward the bottom. Do a big tongue for the shoe. And we're gonna extend the shoes out toward the edge of the page, okay? So here we go. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3 bumps. Toe. Bring it in to the heel and connect. The heel all the way over to the edge of the page. Round up the toe and connect. Okay. We have DeMar DeRozan pretty much blocked in here. So before we hit fast forward, I'm just going to show you what we're going to do for the stripes around them. We're going to do a white jersey. So we're going to grab our red. We're going to just outline around his neck with a little skinny line. Same thing with the edge of the arm. 1. Okay. And the same thing down by the pant. Okay, keep the red out. We're still going to use it. Get your black, get the skinny, point. Follow the red. This one's kind of hard, so you got to kind of follow that red. Follow that red. All right, cool. So we got black, red, black. We're going to use a gap, keep a gap and do another one. Leave a white section. Leave a white section. Angle in. So this is kind of a side of a diamond. So angle in. We'll color that red. Okay, so get your red really quick. We'll finish this off. Lots of little stripes here. Okay. And we're gonna color inside of this area red. if you have questions, it's fun to just Google the white uniform of the Bulls, and this is going to be red too, this waist area. You can Google the white uniform of the Bulls, take your time, press pause if you need to, or press pause on this video so you can see exactly how we're doing our Chicago Bulls. Now, the Bulls, we're going to do kind of this skinny B, a U, L, L, S. Number 11. Color those letters, those numbers in. Don't have to be perfect. Just having a good time here. These numbers are challenging as well. And then we're going to get our black and just trace around the numbers. We should be good to go. I'll hit fast forward. So today we did DeMar DeRozan of the Chicago Bulls, NBA basketball team. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for drawing with us. We're going to hit fast forward, and what we're going to do is now flesh color, black shoes. We're going to leave the pants white. He wears leggings under his uniform. Orange basketball, flesh color, and that will be DeMar DeRozan of the Chicago Bulls. Thanks again for joining us. Subscribe. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next in the comments. Fast forward now.